When you're using Simix coating, you need to strip the floors as thoroughly as possible. That is why we recommend that you use Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner with your commercial stripper as a stripping boost. The high pH of the Simix Cleaner makes your stripper more powerful and effective. Using Simix will dramatically speed up your stripping process, saving you time and money. Simix will increase productivity by at least 50% for every man-hour. Simix breaks down the wax so that your pad does not get clogged up. When a pad gets clogged, the whole process stops and you start losing money. If you use Simix as a stripping boost, your floor will also be a lot less slippery during the process. We recommend that you start by cleaning the floors with the Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner to remove the grime and pH-neutral residue that slows down your stripper. Mix 1 large scoop of Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner for every 8 gallons of water in an auto scrubber. Install the 220 Diamond pad or the 3M High Pro pads or equivalent on your auto scrubber. Scrub the floors once with the gate up. Go back and re-scrub the floors with the gate down. The goal is to remove the grime that slows down your stripper. Next, commercial stripper with the Simix stripping boost. Mix your commercial stripping solution following the manufacturer's instructions. It is important that you follow the instructions. Mix 1 large scoop of Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner into every 2 gallons of commercial stripping solution for an added stripping boost. Spread stripper and Simix solution on floor. If you have 10 coats or less of wax, allow 40 minutes of dwell time. If you have more than 10 coats or are unsure of what's on that floor, allow to dwell for 1.5 hours. Simix will make your stripper dry faster than usual because it's working more quickly. Do not let the stripping solution dry. Add more water to the floors as the stripper dwells. You can strip as you normally do, but we recommend you strip with a 220 Diamond or 3M High Pro pad or equivalent. This process can remove 20 or more coats in a single strip. Put the 220 Diamond on the auto scrubber to be used to pick up stripping solution. Add 1 small scoop of Simix Cleaner powder per 5 gallons of water in the auto scrubber. Scrub and suck up the stripping solution. Make several passes. If there are still areas of wax, keep stripping until you are 100% sure that all coats and residue are removed. What if my floor is old, has pinholes or lippage? Put a clean 220 Diamond burnishing pad on a propane or electric battery burnishing machine. Machine must have a splash guard. In a mop bucket, mix 1 small scoop of Simix Cleaner for every gallon of water. Mop and wet out the floor. Go over the floor with your burnisher at medium speed. Keep burnishing until the floor feels smooth. Final rinse with Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner. Mix 1 small scoop of Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner per 5 gallons of water in the auto scrubber. Put a clean set of 220 Diamond pads on your auto scrubber. Scrub the floors at high water, high pressure, and medium speed with the gate down. Keep scrubbing until water is virtually clear with no suds and the floor is smooth to the touch. Check your work. Go over the floors with a clean, damp mop. Use a fan to help floors dry. Make absolutely sure there is no floor finish residue. There should not be any dark or shiny spots along the edges. You are now ready to apply the Simix coating.